In this tutorial we are going to start with our second chapter, that is create and send invitations. So here at first you see you have to draw the different icons in Word 2006, means the bold icon, format painter icon. So these are the icons which you have to draw by seeing the MS Word 2006. Now let's start the chapter. So the first topic here is modifying page layout. So what are the different layouts of, one is the portrait and the other one is the landscape. So here modifying page layouts. So sometimes you need to print a page on different page layouts or paper size or on a document with different margins. So these you can make the pages in different layouts, or sometimes you need to change a particular page. So these are known as the different layouts. So for this you need to change the page layout of the document, means the size of the paper. There are various ways to do this. Let's learn. So the page orientation. So page orientation describes the way a document is printed or displayed on the screen. So mainly two types. First one is a portrait and the next one is a landscape. So these are the different page layouts. The next, so here as you can see in portrait, in which the height is longer than the width, and next one is the landscape in which the width is longer than the height. The next, to change the page orientation we have to follow this step. So you have to remember that these options are mainly you will mainly find in the Word 2016. The next, on the layout tab in the page setup group, click on the orientation drop down arrow, means this one, orientation drop down arrow. So here as you can see here, this one is a portrait and this one is the landscape. The next, select the orientation of the page. So you can change the orientation of the page, that is this one is the portrait and this one is the landscape. The next, activity. So can you change the orientation on one single page in Word 2016? So you have to mainly change the orientation in a particular page. So what you have to do, place the cursor at the end of the page you want different orientation to be applied. Then next, on the page layout in the page setup group, click the page, click the breakdown drop down arrow and select the next page. So you have to go to the next page, then click inside the new page. On the layout tab in the page setup group, click the orientation drop down arrow and choose the orientation you want. So in the new page you can change the orientation. You will see that only that page has changed the orientation. So when you do this, only the orientation of the selected page will be changed. So you have to remember that this can be done only in 2006, means Word 2016. So that much for this tutorial. Thank you.